Hi everyone, this is Dave, and what I've got here is the OnePlus 6 smartphone, newly released for 2018. I've been a long time user of the OnePlus 5T prior to this, so I'm super excited to unbox this and take a first look. Now normally I do this sort of video live, but there have been some YouTube gremlins in the system lately, so this is a nice crispy pre-recorded video for you. But if you've got any questions or comments at all after watching this, please do drop them in the comment section below. And especially for you, I've left a very special bonus link in the video description. If you use that link when ordering your own OnePlus 6, you'll get a very special bonus, so please do check that out. So without further ado, let's get this unboxed. So this is a fresh unboxing. So you're experiencing this the same time as me. And I'm super excited about this, really am, because this looks like a great smartphone for a reasonable price point. It certainly isn't a budget price point, but I'd say it's like a mid-range price and you're getting flagship specifications. So let's take this off. And are we going to get a box fart of any description? Oh, it's tight in there. It's not going to come out under its own weight. So let's help this along the way. So this is how it becomes presented inside the box. Something that's really nice is we've got a pre-applied screen protector to the front of the phone. A little tiny tab just here to lift this up. And inside the bottom of the box, this is the dash charger, so it's a nice fast charger. So if you're running out of juice on your OnePlus 6, it'll get you up and running nice and quickly. And then we've got a really cool red and white USB to USB-C cable. But that's not what you've come to see. You've come to see the actual OnePlus 6. And it looks like we're going to get something in this red package as well. But let's just lift this out and have a first look. Wow. This looks very cool indeed. So this is the matte black version. I think it's called Midnight Black. Very nice indeed. Wow, what a finish. A nice silky finish on that. And then obviously the front of the phone looks amazing as well. We'll get this powered on and take a quick look of this up and running in this very video. Now inside here, we've got some other bits and pieces. Let's just open this up. Very nice. We get a SIM removal tool just here. We also get some documentation just here as well. And then if we remove this, we get a case included with the phone. Very appreciated that this is included inside the box. There are plenty of other OnePlus 6 cases available on their website, but nice that they include something to get your phone protected straight away. So without further ado, let's get this started up and I'll give you my very early impressions of the OnePlus 6. So this is what it looks like and I am very impressed. The screen is absolutely gorgeous, very vibrant. In fact, what you're seeing now is the screen on under a quarter brightness. This goes up so bright that you'll easily see this in direct sunlight. I also really love how this feels in the hand. Very comfortable. A nice tall display, albeit with the notch, which I wish wasn't there, but at least you can hide that in the software. But the placement of all of the buttons, very nice indeed. We've got volume controls on this side. We've got the power on off here. We've got that silencer switch just on the side at the top here. And the fingerprint sensor perfectly placed just underneath the dual cameras. Now if you stay right to the end of this video, I'll give you a closer look at the matte finish on the Midnight Black. It's really very special indeed. But for now, I'm just really impressed with this screen. I could look at this screen all day. I won't because that's bad for you, but it is such a nice vibrant screen using AMOLED technology and a really nice resolution as well. Great viewing angles too, and if you look at this off axis, you get hardly any color shift at all. Very impressed so far. So now I promised you a closer look at the Midnight Black color on the back. So let's take off the case that came provided with the phone and give you a closer look. Just look at this finish. Very nice. Now apparently they did this finish by making lots of tiny little holes all the way over the glass back to give you what looks like a metallic or metal finish, but on a glass backed smartphone. That is absolutely stunning. Now, you saw briefly there the fingerprint sensor underneath the cameras. It works extremely fast, and that's backed up by Face Unlock as well. You also saw the dual cameras. I've only taken 2 or 3 photos with them so far, but it's very, very fast to focus, and the actual results are superb. I am certainly impressed so far. The build quality is amazing. The camera looks very, very promising indeed, and the screen is just a joy to look at. If you're after a OnePlus 6 for yourself, as I said at the beginning of this video, there is a link down in the video description. If you use that link when purchasing your OnePlus 6, you'll get an extra special bonus, something that you can pick up some accessories with. So it's well worth using that link. Thank you very much for watching. If you've got any questions or comments at all, please do leave them in the comment section below. Also, please do hit that like button on this video. I really do appreciate it. And so you don't miss my full review on the OnePlus 6, make sure you subscribe. Apart from the full review coming up, I publish a new tech video pretty much every single day. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.